Hi, and welcome to the Teleparty tutorial for our movie party event. So if you'll follow along with me step by step, I'll take you through how to join the Teleparty for watching in the family movie night for Mind Your Autistic Brain. So first of all, remember that this can only be done on a PC. So that means it needs to be a desktop or a laptop computer. You are required to have a Netflix account in order to access Teleparty. And then Teleparty is a Chrome extension. So you have to use a Chrome browser. Even if you're on a Mac, you can install and use a Chrome browser. And then install the Teleparty Chrome extension and have that set up all before you begin. So here you go. I'm going to share my screen with you, and we're going to go step by step through the process of connecting to the Teleparty event via the link. And you will also be able to see how to pin the Teleparty extension to your toolbar, so you can just click on that TP icon. Here we go. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to log into the Netflix account. Okay, so I'm already actively logged in. So the next thing I'm going to do is go over and get my TP Teleparty extension link for the Teleparty. When that happens, it's going to redirect. You just saw that little flash that says redirecting. And it's taking me to the movie that we've got set up. Josh is helping me. So we have Dances with Wolves set up. So once that gets started, once it's clicked redirecting and the movie kind of starts, hit that pause button on it. Then you're going to go up here to the top and click on your TP icon. So the way that you get your TP icon to display is you'll see right here next to your profile picture, to the left, there's a star. If you click on that star, it says extensions. And then it has this little thumbtack here next to it where it says Teleparty. If you click that thumbtack, it will automatically put that TP icon here in your display on your toolbar, so you're not having to search for it. So once you have clicked on your Teleparty link for the party, you've been redirected, you then click on the red TP icon, because right now you don't have access to the chat box. At this point, you're still all by yourself. So to join in the party with everybody else, you have to click on TP icon. Now we are all here together. The display pops up and gives you the link. So you can copy that if somebody in your house is watching with you, or you've got a friend that you want to join you, you can click on that copy URL and then you can email it or messenger it to them. So right now, it then shows the Teleparty strip chat box here on the right. Up here in the top right-hand corner, you will see the little profile picture. If you click on the profile picture, it says nickname. You can type your name in there, or whatever name you want to use. You can click on the picture and it'll give you a display, and you can choose any of these icons. I kind of like the little girl right here. She's cute. So that's how you get set up. Then you come down here to the little chat box message section and just say, hi, I'm here. And you're all ready to go. And of course, when everybody gets logged in, the movie will get started and it will automatically play for you once it gets started on my end, which I'll be controlling the start stop thing. So I hope this was easy. Let me do this real quick. So I hope this was easy for you, and it gave you the opportunity to sort of see step by step how to join a Teleparty and how it works. Because when you log into Netflix first, you go and get your Teleparty link, click on it. It will show you redirecting. It'll just flash very quickly. You're still all by yourself until you click on that red TP icon in the top right extension. Then we're all together in the chat box. And then at that point, you can go and update your profile picture, change your nickname to whatever you want it to be, and we'll get the movie started. I look forward to seeing all of you, and I really look forward to sharing some time together. See you soon. Bye-bye.